Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you people are good. So in the previous video we have studied about rational numbers are associative or not under subtraction. So today with the same property we are going to perform the multiplication operation and we are going to verify whether the rational numbers are associative or not under multiplication. Fine, let's begin with the class. So which property? Yes, again associative property. Yes, associative property for rational numbers we are going to verify under multiplication operation, and the general forms everyone is aware about. Yes, very clear to you people, general form. And the easiest method also I have shown to you, both the sides ABC with the whatever the operation you people are performing. So A into B into C. Here also A into B into C. What to do? Bracket to the first two terms and bracket to the last two terms. Fine. Again what we have to do, we need to take our own rational numbers. So let A equals to 3 by 5, B equals to minus 1 by 2 and C equals to 5 by 4. Fine, this ABC we have taken and all these are rational numbers only. Now we are going to take the first part. Yes, very good. Now LHS we are going to take. LHS, what is LHS? Left hand side, and what is the condition given? A into B of C. Fine. Now we are going to substitute the rational numbers whatever we have taken. A is 3 over 5 into minus 1 over 2, we are giving the bracket, and into 5 by 4. So now here no need of checking whether the denominators are same or different. We are not performing addition or subtraction. Whenever we are doing addition and subtraction, at that time the most important thing we need to check whether the denominators are same or not for the given numbers. If they are not same, then we need to go for taking out the LCM, and after that making the denominators are equal, then after that we are performing addition or subtraction. But in case of multiplication and division, there is no need to check whether they are having the same denominator or not. Directly we have to perform the operation. Okay, this is quite very simple compared to the addition and subtraction. So first, whenever we are multiplying the numbers, we need to focus on the sign. This is positive. When there is no sign to the number, at that time the number is always positive. So this is plus, already the sign is given here, it means this is a negative number, minus. So plus into minus, you need to write minus. Then directly I said here no need of checking the denominators are same or not. Directly we can multiply them. So 3 times of 1 is you will get 3, by 5 times of 2 you will get 10 into 5 over 4. Again multiplication operation we need to, but before then what I said to you, sign. Very good. So minus sign here, and here it is plus. So minus into plus you will get it as minus only. Then 3 times of 5 is 15. 3 times of 5 is 15 by, and here you are observing that this is 10 and here denominator is 4. So 10 times of 4 is, you will get it as 40. Fine. This is your LHS part. I think you people are so happy because within very short time of period we have completed LHS part compared to addition and subtraction. Okay. So minus 15 over 40. So the next thing here we are going to check out for RHS. What is the condition for RHS? Yes, it is A into B into C, but we have to give the bracket to the last two terms. Again we are going to substitute the terms which we have taken, that is A is how much? Yes, A is 3 by 5 into, then we are keeping the bracket, minus 1 by 2 into C is 5 over 4. Now 3 by 5 into, directly we need to multiply these terms. Yes, I said you there is no need of checking whether the denominators are same or not. Here directly we can multiply, and based on the body mass rule we have to give the priority to the brackets. So first we are solving the terms which are within the bracket. So minus plus, minus into plus is minus, 1 times of 5 is 5 by 2 times of 4 is 8. Fine. Again you are finding this is a positive number, this is a negative number, we need to multiply sign, plus into minus, it becomes minus, and 3 times of 5 is 15 by 5 times of 8 is 40. So what is this 15 minus 15 by 40? Very good. This is RHS, right hand side, and you got it as minus 15 by 40. Here clearly we are observing that LHS, RHS both are equal. So what we have to say, what we have to do, write the final statement exactly. We have to say that rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Fine. Before that, LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, what is happening? Rational numbers are associative. They are associative under which operation? Very good. They are associative under multiplication. So hopefully the concept is very much clear to you people. We till now we have verified whether the rational numbers are associative or not under addition, under subtraction, and under multiplication. And till now we have observed that the rational numbers are associative under addition, under multiplication, whereas in case of subtraction they are not associative. So just again try and verify whether the rational numbers are verifying the property, associative property or not under multiplication by taking your own rational numbers. As I have taken my own rational numbers, you too try at your home by taking your own rational numbers whether they are associative or not under multiplication. Hope the concept is clear to you people. Inshallah again we'll meet in the next video with the concept of again associative property but in another operation, that is division. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.